Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Observe the question. Find the circumference of the circle, that is within a square if the area of the square is 81 centimeters square. Find the circumference of the circle. Within the square, the area of the square is given 81 centimeters square. Here given one is the square shape, another one is the inner side circle. So to find the circumference of the circle is called 2 pi r formula. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Here 2 into pi value is 22/7. Radius is given? No. So first of all given square area. So area of square is given area of square. So that is equal to a square is equal to 81. A is equal to root 81, that is equal to 9. So length of the side of the square is given 9 centimeters. This one is the 9 centimeter is the length of the diameter of the circle. So 9 centimeters is the diameter of the circle. So radius is r is equal to 9/2 centimeters. So half of the length of the diameter is called radius. So 2 into 22/7 into radius is 9/2. Here 2 cancel. 22 9s are 9 2 18, 9 2 18, 19. So 198/7. Divide by 7, 7 2 14, 5, 7 8 56, 2 is the remainder. So 28 2/7, 28 2/7. The option C is the correct option. So circumference of the circle is equal to 28 2/7 centimeters.